Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sam here, and I'm back on my travel blog again with one more destination. And this time we are trekking towards Thottikallu waterfalls, which is also called as TK Falls, situated in Bangalore and near to Banagata National Park. One can easily reach out to the place using his four-wheeler or two-wheelers. Thotikalu or TK Falls is often becoming a popular place. People often come over here to get rid of their hustle and bustle of their daily life. Thotikalu Falls, also called as a Golden Face Falls or Swarnamukhi Falls. The reason being that often during the daytime sunlight directly falls on waterfall and it shines, and that's how it makes it looks like a golden waterfall. Near the waterfall there is also a temple under a big tree which is dedicated to Lord Maheshwara. You can always rest yourself in that temple and offer your prayers. There are a lot of people who stay near the waterfall, and you may often see them near the temple. And this Thotikalu waterfall is amalgamation of two adjacent waterfalls. One of them has wide fall and results in a wider shower, and the other one is a quick and narrow fall. Since this spot is famous for trekking, many trekkers also take a shower under the splendid waterfall. For people who are opting to trek to the fall, you can come across the hill on your path. Take a rest on the hill, inhale the smooth view of the waterfall, forest, and magnificent sunset. This place is easily reachable from Bangalore Airport or Bangalore railway station, which is in Majestic. All the way you have to come to Banagata main road, and then the straight towards Banagata National Park. Which once you reach the circle of the Banagata National Park, there you have to take a right, and then there's a 10-15 kilometer distance which will take you to this place. Yeah, on the main road there is a small internal roads are there, which is an narrow path. Once you go through that, then you will reach to this particular waterfalls easily. Best time to visit this particular waterfall is post monsoon, which is October to March. If you are planning to visit this waterfall during the summer, please don't. The falls are miserably dry during the summer. One would not be able to embrace the real beauty of this place. This falls remains open for 24 hours a day, but advisable not to visit the place at the night, since it will be dark. You may not find the path. It's not that easy to cross the paths and here. Before we proceed further, request all of you to please subscribe the channel, like the video, also press the bell button to get a notification when we upload a new video, and if possible please share with your own group. During the summertime this particular area weather goes up to 33-34 degrees Celsius. Yeah, since is adjacent to Bangalore,
The waterfall
so weather
sources
doesn't go beyond
this particular
34-35. Yeah, so you can easily able to trek on this particular area. There are some rumor and incident happened past. Some accidents took place, and then people start rumoring about this place. It's a dangerous place, but nevertheless, it's a restricted place, and there is no such proper road or pathway to get inside. Thanks for watching this video.